So you guys are trying to get on this one product drop shipping store trend that everybody seems to talk about, right? Not gonna be as easy as you think. Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You wanna know something? We're gonna help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Yo guys, if you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm the Dropshipping Terminator, me and my partner, the Dan of Steel. We talk all about the e-commerce life, man. You know, Amazon, FBA, private label dropshipping, Shopify, all types of stuff, right? If that sounds good, make sure you subscribe, click the little notification bell, stick around, get into one of the free Facebook groups below. We try to hook you up as best we can to make sure that you have all the knowledge to go out there, make money, get paid, all right? So for all you regulars, you already know what time it is, man. It's time to get right into it. So let's go ahead and talk about the one product dropshipping store. Now, in some cases, it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna work out great. You guys are gonna make a ton of money. In other cases, you're not gonna make jack squat. And we're gonna explore why that may or may not be for the people that get involved in it. Now, one product dropshipping stores, it require a lot more work, a lot more marketing than, let's say, a general store, because you're gonna have to make it appear to be a brand. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the one product dropshipping stores, and can you really make money? Can you personally make a ton of money? Because as you have already seen, the big gurus are talking about it. They're like, oh, you should do this and this. And while some people do, like 𝗗𝗓𝙏𝗙𝗟𝙏𝙀 and Scott, they make money with their one product dropshipping stores. The overwhelming majority of people do not make any type of money with their dropshipping stores whatsoever. That's why Shopify has a 90% shutdown rate, within 90 days. So you have to really be honest with yourself, guys. Like, this isn't something that you're gonna get into and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make tons and tons of money. This requires a lot of effort. This requires a lot of finesse. This requires a lot of thought that you may have not put into it before, when getting into drop shipping, okay? And, have you really been able to make any money before, even with, like a general store? If you have not been able to make any money, with what you're already doing, then more than likely, you're not gonna be successful with a one product dropshipping store. Granted, everyone's gonna say, oh, you only have to test that one product though, that one product. If you can't find multiple products that can make you money, you are now relying on one single product to do so. And if you were not able to build a strong brand or have an idea of how to go about building a brand, you are going to be screwed when it comes to one product dropshipping stores, okay? It's not gonna be an easy thing for you. You're probably gonna have a terrible time and you're gonna get discouraged and probably give up in e-commerce altogether, which you should not do, all right? But it is not gonna be as easy as people make it out to be. If you can't make money with a general store, you're not gonna be able to make money with the one product store. Trust me on that one. You need to take an honest look, all right? You need to take an honest look at your store. Really, really look at your store, okay? Stop all the, yo, my store looks good, man. I got my logo, everything's fine, everything looks good. I don't know what you're talking about. It's people not buying because they're just stupid. And no, you really need to take a look at your store. If your store does not look like Kylie Jenner's or Logan Paul's or Snow Teeth Whitening or Mission Critical store, you're wrong, okay? You're straight up wrong. You need to go back to the drawing board and you need to get it down, okay? You need to get your store design down. Don't listen to people who say, oh, you can get away with a terrible store. Now, granted, my store for the shop, Speed Circuit, is a terrible looking store. But as I have proven, it does anywhere from 10 to 20K in revenue every single month, period. End of discussion. Why is that? Because we spent years, guys, years building that brand. Now we don't have to run any ads whatsoever. No Facebook ads, no Google ads, no nothing. But that's because we spent years cultivating the brand. If you guys aren't willing to spend years building a brand, then you're gonna have to figure something out. You're not gonna be able to sell with a terrible website. End of discussion. And how are your ads looking? How's your marketing looking as a whole? Do you have terrible ads? Are you investing the time to, maybe have some friends, some very good looking ladies? If you're in the female clothing niche or female apparel, you need to have some good looking ladies start modeling your stuff. Maybe offer free products to influencers, get them to wear it, get them to, to post up, get video converts better than anything else, okay? And it's cheaper. So you can run YouTube ads, you can run Facebook ads. But get yourself, if you're in female apparel, like I was saying, get yourself some, good looking young gals, some pretty young things. Have them model the clothes, get some videos, get everything together, get you some good ad shot, and start running them, guys. You're gonna have to test multiple ad sets, but you need to have good ads. They need to be visually appealing. They need to be visually striking. You have to have somewhat of a decent social media presence. You can't just think you're gonna run ads, to a store and be like, all right, that's it. You guys have to do your due diligence, and a lot of you don't. A lot of you guys just, create a store and think that that's the end all. There's a whole lot more that goes into it than just creating a store. All right, you got to be able to sell to people. You have to be able to build a brand and convince people that it is indeed a brand. And overall, like, how's your marketing looking? What are you doing to get people enticed? Are you retargeting people? Are you hitting them up through email? Are you trying to generate those leads? Are you capturing that information? Because guess what? A customer that comes to your page that doesn't, and you have no way of capturing that information, you're not going to be able to do effective marketing. Now, yes, you may have your Facebook pixel installed, but you shouldn't have to just rely on the Facebook pixels for retargeting. You should be able to get their email data in exchange for, some type of coupon or something along those lines, or maybe a free item, a free gift. They just pay for shipping, whatever it is. And that way you can hit them up again. You want to build a very strong and solid email list. And yes, it is difficult, but it's highly possible, And that's where you guys are kind of going wrong. The advertising and the marketing, not just your websites, or you're not all that great because you're not taking the time to invest in them. You're just using a bunch of free things when there's plenty of premium things that could set you apart from everyone else. You guys just aren't being effective with your ads and your marketing. You guys are kind of just throwing everything at the wall and hoping that it sticks. You need to be focused and you need to be concise in order to make sure that you're going to be able to generate any type of money with a Shopify store, let alone a one product store. Okay, if you guys need an example, snow teeth whitening and mission critical baby carriers, now they do sell, I guess you'd say multiple products, but they really just focus on one. Snow teeth whitening may sell refill kits for their whitening system, but they really just focus on their teeth whitening system. Mission Critical sells a baby carrier. Now they do sell attachments to said baby carrier, but their main focus is that baby carrier. They're not just going to sell accessories for a baby carrier that they do not create. Those are very good examples of how to do your ads, how to do your marketing, and how to build your website around the product that you're trying to sell. How to build a brand. They have very decent social media presences. Matter of fact, Snow Teeth Whitening has probably one of the best marketing campaigns on the planet. They have tons of influencers who use their product. They have tons of reviews on YouTube. They have, celebrities, Conor McGregor, Gronkowski, people using this product. Guys, I highly recommend you look at what they're doing and you try to do it, at the same or even better. All right, don't just take what people are saying for face value. Are you guys trying to build a brand, or you guys just trying to get money today? There's a big difference when it comes to sellers like myself and like you. All right, I've been in the e-commerce game for quite some time. All right, I've seen it come and go. And when I first started, I did the same thing. I was just trying to make a quick buck. I really didn't spend the time to build out a brand or become any type of effective. I was just gotta make money. And that is not the way you should look at anything. You should really, sit there and think about how you want to build out a brand and what you want that brand to represent and how you want that to look to customers. With a one product dropshipping store, having a brand is even more so important. Okay, there's no way around it. You can't just think you're gonna dropship all the things and be successful. You have to have a strategy. You have to have a game plan. You really have to think it out, and you really have to start focusing on your marketing, because that is the only way you're going to be able to generate any type of revenue. You're not going to be able to pull off some miracle that the big sellers don't know about. The reason why people are successful with their one product dropshipping stores is because they can convey a story about their brand, and they get people enticed, and they're able to attract an audience. You guys have to be able to attract an audience, and if you cannot do that, it's going to be very, very difficult for you guys to ever get ahead. Remember that. So moving forward, you guys have to be honest with yourselves. Are your websites trash? Are your ads trash? You know, is your marketing trash? Are you guys doing everything you can to capture those customers? Are you able to capture leads and bring those leads back? And ultimately, are you in it for business, to build an actual business, or are you in it for a quick cash grab? And if you're in it for a quick cash grab, then you probably should not be trying to dropship on Shopify. You should be dropshipping on eBay, because that is a cash flow business, all right? Requires almost no thought whatsoever. Anyone with like 2 brain cells can dropship on eBay and make money today, literally. I can't promise you that you'll make money with a Shopify store, and it's gonna take you a while to set it up. But I can promise you'll make money on eBay like that. I mean, it ain't gonna be a ton of money because the profit margins are slim, but you'll probably make more money dropshipping on eBay than you will with a Shopify store, all right? Just wanna put that out there. So for people who, you know, have not had success with Shopify, chances are you should probably try dropshipping on eBay and go from there. For you other guys, you know, we love dropshipping on Amazon, you know, private label style that is. So, you know, check that out. But with that being said, guys, hopefully that enlightened you on a one product dropshipping store, you know, at least through the Shopify method. And, you know, if you guys have any questions, make sure you get into the comments below. We love hearing from you. We love talking to you guys. We'll answer any of your questions. You know, we always answer every single comment that we get, every single, you know, comment that we get on Facebook, whatever. Just hit us up, man. So if you guys want to see something different, whatever you want to talk about, just comment it, and, you know, we got you. So that being said, man, be safe, be smart. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Please, you know, take this to heart and don't destroy your Shopify stores. Yeah, so catch you later.